Hey guys, Ali from ALTA. How are you? Hey, here's an assembly video for the general purpose platform with the cooler mount. But this is going to be assembly video for basically all the general purpose platforms. And the cooler mount is one of the features and accessories that goes on that GPP. Here's what you see, quickly going over what you're going to get. You're going to get two 5/8 bolts with the nylock and the washers. You're going to get 8. This is for the cooler mount. You're going to get 8 of 1-inch bolt with 2 washers and nylock. The tools you're going to need are the 15/16 as usual, same with the racks always, and a 9/16. So we have a wrench, ratchet, wrench. And the first step you want to take is remove your stabilizer from your rack. So that's the first step you're going to do, is remove the stabilizer from the hitch portion. We have it plugged in here. This will be like in a vehicle, it would be sitting like this, and this is kind of the best way to mount it and put that GPP together. So first step you do is you take your bar that has 3 internal stabilizers here and slide it from the back piece in. This automatically will align with the 3 holes where there are in the hitch, so you don't have to worry about that alignment, because you can match that alignment right here with the auxiliary hole. So with the auxiliary hole, this is where these plates also come in at the same time. I will get my bolts ready. So just basically, you want your 2 bolts right here, you want your side plates right here, because we are gonna put, and you can see there's basically, they're gonna align like that. So I'm gonna come back on this side and get a bolt through, make sure that alignment is correct. Oh yeah, I gotta put the other plate on, like just Mike reminded me. Yes, so first plate first.
No, that one goes on the other side.
Does it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my apologies. So first plate first. Mike's better at this than me. He's been playing with these for a while. And then second bolt right there. So boom, right there is my one side setup. Then I'm gonna take the other side plate and basically slide these on. And then I'm gonna apply the bolts and the nuts and washers. But we're gonna pause for that and come back once we tighten those. Alright, we put the bolts on, and as you notice, everything's still loose. I literally just hand tightened the nuts, the nylock nuts and the washer. You can see the setup. Michael, come on top and kind of show the folks what we got here. We got the bolt, we got the washer, we got the side plates, we got a washer, and we got a nut, and everything's loose, right? I literally just hand tighten. So I'm keeping everything in that level of tightness. That's how you want it, because it helps with alignment when you have multi-dimensional alignment going on. The next step is the GPP platform itself, the general purpose platform right here. You got slotting system, and you got your holes that are it works with the aligning with these side plates. So where the slot cutout is like this, goes towards away from the vehicle or towards the vertical post of the rack. So you're gonna squeeze these together in and basically just drop this right in. It should have a good, nice, tight fit too. Oh, I went too fast on the front, and there you go. Oh, there, I got it. All right. So these now align with the top hole here, top hole in the back, and top hole, top hole. So it takes 4 bolts to basically mount those side plates, and then these slotting on them as well. You can see the slots for the side plates coming through the slots right here, basically. And that helps with alignment. So we're gonna take our 1-inch bolts, washer and a nut, and everything is still loose. We're gonna put these through right here. You can see there's 1 bolt. You're gonna take your second bolt and you're gonna put that in right there. Then you're gonna take the third one and get that in there. And then you're gonna do the same thing underneath with the washers and nuts. You're basically gonna take a nylock nut and a washer, and this might not show as well, but I'm gonna try to get this one where you're gonna get these parts on that part, so it may get easier with not showing on the camera. We're gonna pause, put these on, and then start again. Alright, we got everything again. We put the nuts on the other side. Michael's gonna go underneath and show you. There's a washer and a nylock, basically, that got mounted on all of these. Everything's still loose. Everything's still loose because that's how you want it. You want to make sure you got that interface nice and loose so you can get that a perfect alignment. The next step you're going to do is you could either tighten this at this point or put whatever component that's going to go on here and take that far. I think it's probably wise to at this point to tighten the GPP, because once we put the tray on it, it's going to make access to the bolts and nuts here a little more difficult. So I'm going to start here. And I could do a final crank later as well, but I'm basically getting this. Then come to the third one. And final. And this on the vehicle is probably easier with the little stool sitting next to it and getting this alignment right. Okay, so we got the GPP platform nice and tight. The side plates are still loose because we don't have the hitch pin in yet, so you actually do want to keep that loose. Lastly, Michael dropped the phone. That's what it is. It was a fast acceleration in reduction in elevation. So you can see this is kind of equal. It doesn't matter which way you put it. We put a sticker on it so we know you want to see it this way. This is your tray mount. You got the holes on the side. You can see it. These are for strapping points. So you can either get retractable straps, run them over the cooler, or use any kind of straps just to hook in here and get it done. You can run paracords through here to create little handles potentially, but basically you have a structural skeleton underneath that's going to interface to that GPP platform. So you're basically going to pick this up and plop it right up. And I have to hold this up because this is a display unit and doesn't really have support. But you'll find out underneath once you go, and Michael's going to show that these holes will line up with the side holes, and then you use the remainder of the bolts and then get those in, and your system's pretty much ready at that point. This is the video that's going to show you how to basically put this together. Finally, what you're going to do at this point, if this was on a vehicle, I would take my hitch pin bolt right here, my 1.5 inch 5/8 with a nylock with a locking washer, and get that in there, hand tighten it, and then finish it off by tightening these 5/8 bolts, and then there's your product. You basically put this on, put the cooler on, or anything else. We're building more of these. Since we have to ship this, I don't want to really crank on this and like put marking on them, because this is for a very special customer that's going to use the first one. This was his idea and we built it for him. So if you have any questions, shoot us an email. Please do sign up for our YouTube channel. This is where we put all our instructional and things to know about our products. Hope you're having a great day, y'all. It is snowing outside, so I'm trying to get up the mountain. That's why I'm talking so fast. Have a great day, y'all.